What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to embed Google Maps into WordPress Revolution WordPress plugin into its latest version. But before we can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to Google and find the location, find the business, find the point that you would like to have the map embed. In my case, it's gonna be the London Eye, okay? So find the London Eye on Google. Right here, we're gonna click on share. We have directions, save, nearby, send to phone, and share. Go to share, and we have the option embed tab. I would recommend you to use the small option, but you can also set a custom size, okay? All up to you and to your needs. The small, it's already good for me. I can copy the HTML code. Now I'm gonna go to my WordPress dashboard. To access this page, go to your browser address bar, enter your domain plus wp-admin and enter with login credentials, okay? After, review the left sidebar of menus, scroll down until you find next to settings the option called Slider Revolution. Click on it. Scroll down and find the slider that you would like to embed the Google Map. In my case, it's gonna be this one right here. So I'm gonna hover my mouse over the slider and hit this pencil icon. Wait while the slider loads. Now, review the upper left corner of your screen. We have Slider Revolution logo type, settings, slides, timeline, layers, and add. Click on add, text, content, paragraph. Now, review the right side of my screen. There is a text field. Click on this text, delete it, and paste the Google Maps code, just like this. And here is your Google Map home slider. You can align this map using this bar right here, in the case that you want, up to you and to your needs. And of course, you can apply some animation, you can change the positions, you can change the opening and closing time of this layer, all up to you and to your needs, okay? After doing the change according to what you need, always remember to hit this desktop icon into the upper right corner of my screen to save the change we made on the slider. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best. And don't forget to check out visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes.